Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Marlowe soap is probably one of the most luxurious and effective men's soap bars on the market, offering a unique blend of natural ingredients and invigorating scents designed to elevate your daily grooming routine. In this video, we will deep dive into what makes Marlowe soap bars stand out from the crowd and explore whether it lives up to the hype, examining its performance, scent, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Marlowe Bestsellers Kit Number 203. Begin and end each day with a clean, fresh face. Our facial cleanser removes oil and impurities, leaving you feeling refreshed. Remember, facial skin needs a dedicated cleanser, not body wash. Avoid dry, flaky skin with this lightweight, water-based moisturizer. It replenishes your skin after cleansing, leaving it soft and refreshed. It's the perfect way to complete your skincare routine. This deep cleansing bar soap uses apricot seed powder and pumice to gently buff away dryness, leaving your skin smooth and clean. Shea butter and olive oil help moisturize, leaving your skin feeling healthy. It's free of SLS, SLES, parabens, and phthalates. It's also cruelty-free and made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients. The packaging is made from 100% post-consumer recycled paper. Men's skincare doesn't have to be complicated. We create effective products that simplify your routine, so you can look and feel your best without the fuss. It's skincare that works as hard as you do. What we like. This gift set offers a complete facial care routine, including a cleanser, moisturizer, and scrub. It's perfect if you're looking for a simple yet effective way to improve your skin. If you value convenience and want a hassle-free routine, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. Leaves my face feeling fresh and moisturized well. Has a very mild cooling effect, I think, and the smell is absolutely amazing. It's, as you would guess, a masculine scent, with notes of bergamot I believe. It's moderately strong in the scent, which is great for me. Super easy to use, a little goes a long way, and it's not oily at all. It goes on light but doesn't need much for a full face and neck application. I can get away with a small pea-size application and it applies perfectly all over my face and neck. Dries perfectly without any caking or weird alcohol burn-off effect like the Huron, and the scent is pleasant but also very light and won't get in the way of any cologne you may be wearing. Love this for my skin. It's light, but also keeps my face not feeling dry or overly oily. Number 4. Marlowe Number 106 Charcoal Soap. It's a deep cleansing charcoal soap bar that effectively scrubs away dry, dull skin and absorbs impurities, leaving your body feeling smooth and clean. Experience the invigorating feeling. This unique charcoal soap bar has a lightly scented blend of agarwood, pine, sandalwood, and musk. Enjoy its fresh and masculine fragrance. It's crafted with detoxifying charcoal powder, shea butter, olive oil, green tea extracts, and willow bark extract. It's designed for daily use to cleanse, purify, and hydrate your skin. It's RSPO certified, free of SLS, SLES, parabens, and phthalates. It's also glycerin-based, cruelty-free, and made in the USA with eco-friendly packaging. It delivers what you need with the experience you want. It's great smelling, hard-working, and designed for those who value simplicity, quality, and practicality. What we like. This charcoal soap deeply cleanses and purifies your skin while providing hydration. It's great if you have oily or impure skin and want a refreshing scent. If you're looking for a soap that leaves your skin feeling clean and revitalized, this is the one for you. What people say. The best thing about this soap is not only how big it is compared to the average bar of soap but how strong the fragrance is on my not expensive cologne but just enough I know it's on me. Also, when you open the package on the first day, the scent is very strong to be an air freshener. Not sweet but smells like coffee and lasts a long time and scrubs nicely like coffee grounds, but doesn't make a mess. It lathers super well and leaves me feeling clean but not poisoned. It doesn't dry out my skin at all. Number 3. Marlowe Number 105 Men's Soap. Start your day with our luxurious soap. It'll gently cleanse and moisturize your skin, leaving you feeling refreshed and invigorated. Experience a unique, invigorating scent. The blend of agarwood, pine, sandalwood, and musk creates a truly masculine fragrance that will stay with you. It's more than just soap, it's crafted with shea butter, olive oil, and other natural extracts to improve your skin's health. You'll feel the difference. We use only the best ingredients. It's RSPO certified, free of harsh chemicals, cruelty-free, and made in the USA with eco-friendly packaging. We believe in simple, effective products for the modern man. Look good and feel amazing without the fuss. What we like. This moisturizing soap bar gently cleanses and nourishes your skin, leaving it feeling soft and refreshed. It's perfect if you have dry or sensitive skin and want a gentle cleansing experience. If you're looking for a soap that leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated, this is the best option for you. What people say. The best thing about this soap is not only how big it is compared to the average bar of soap but how strong the fragrance is on my not expensive cologne but just enough I know it's on me. Also when you open the package on the first day the scent is very strong to be an air freshener. Not sweet but smells like coffee and lasts a long time and scrubs nicely like coffee grounds, but doesn't make a mess. It lathers super well and leaves me feeling clean but not poisoned. It doesn't dry out my skin at all. Sometimes I cheat and use it to wash my face and it works. Number 2. 102 Men's Body Scrub Soap. Experience the invigorating sensation of our men's body scrub soap. It's designed to leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. This exfoliating soap helps scrub away dryness, revealing smoother, cleaner skin. It's the perfect way to start your day. Choose from 3 amazing scents: original, oud wood, and santal. Each offers a unique and captivating fragrance. Our original scent features a sophisticated blend of agarwood, sandalwood, and musk. It's a classic for a reason. The oud wood scent offers an earthy aroma, while santal provides warm layers of amber, spice, and citron. Discover your favorite. It's paraben and phthalate-free, glycerin-based, and cruelty-free. It's made in the USA with your well-being in mind. This gentle yet effective soap is safe for use on both your face and body. Enjoy a complete cleansing experience. What we like. This exfoliating soap is available in 3 amazing scents, offering variety and choice to suit your preferences. It's perfect if you enjoy trying different scents and want a deep clean. If you want to experience different scents and enjoy a good exfoliation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The green tea extract gives it a refreshing touch, and the exfoliation is just right, not too harsh, but effective enough to leave skin feeling incredibly clean and rejuvenated. The scents are fantastic, making each shower a delightful experience. Your skin will never feel smoother, and the convenience of a bar soap means no mess or waste. I like the scents and the bits of pecan shell that provides the exfoliating action feel good on my skin. I don't rub the bars on my face, but get a lather in my hands to wash my face and that works well. Number 1. Marlowe No. 102 Men's Body Scrub. Introducing Marlowe No. 102, the ultimate body scrub for men. It's formulated with natural ingredients to leave your skin feeling smooth and clean. This deep cleansing bar uses apricot seed powder and pumice to gently buff away dryness. It effectively lifts away dirt and roughness without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Experience the invigorating, masculine scent of agarwood, sandalwood, and musk. It's a fresh and balanced fragrance you'll love. It's crafted with natural ingredients like shea butter, olive oil, and green tea extract to nourish and revitalize your skin. Apricot seed powder and pumice provide gentle exfoliation. It's RSPO certified, free of harsh chemicals like SLS, SLES, parabens, and phthalates. Plus, it's cruelty-free and made in the USA with eco-friendly packaging. Marlowe believes in simple, effective men's grooming. It's designed to work as hard as you do, helping you look and feel your best. What we like. This exfoliating soap bar provides a deep clean with its original woodsy scent. It's perfect if you prefer a classic scent and want a thorough clean. If you're looking for a deep clean and enjoy a classic scent, this is the one for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.